A look at the weather before we go. Hong Kong enjoyed another fine day with plenty of sunshine. Temperatures varied from 27.7 to 33.1 degrees, while the relative humidity was between 64 and 86%. Winds were moderate coming in from the southeast. Let's check on the ultraviolet reading. The maximum recorded for the day was 12. Tomorrow's UV index will be around 12 as well. Let's take a look at the weather in the region. A while ago, severe typhoon Uto was centered about 370 kilometers east-northeast of Manila. It's expected to move west-northwest towards northern Luzon. Locally, a ridge of high pressure is bringing fine and very hot weather to southeastern China. Here's what we can expect over the next few days. Fine and hot again tomorrow, apart from isolated showers. Temperatures will range between 28 and 33 degrees, turning cloudy with showers on Tuesday, and more rain is expected throughout the week. Now for tomorrow's air pollution levels. General stations will be below to medium at 25 to 50, and roadside pollution levels will be high at 55 to 75. And finally, here's the weather around the world.
That's our main news for Sunday night. We'll have an update in an hour. I'm Edna Ze.
I'm Raymond Yeung.
And I'm Anne-Marie Sim. Thanks for watching ATV. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
以下節目將恢復為粵語廣播。跟住落嚟係亞洲大學堂。